Hello and welcome back to 40 Years, 40 Reasons. Today I'll be delving into the highly debated topic of sustainability. Sustainable manufacturing practices help machine shops reduce their environmental impact and the cost of business. GibbsCAM is committed to helping customers achieve more sustainable results. Episode 14 discusses how GibbsCAM can contribute to reducing material scrap and waste in production. Let me show you 3 starting points on how to become more sustainable in production by using GibbsCAM. Generate collision-free toolpath with automatic fixture and stock avoidance. GibbsCAM automatically avoids fixturing and unmachined stock whenever possible, giving your programmer the power to make parts, not scrap. Program solid part models directly to ensure design adherence. Programming from a drawing is error-prone and can result in scrapped parts and extra program revisions. Use digital part designs directly from your engineers and cut out the middleman to make sure you're machining the part exactly as designed. Prove out your programs before they hit the machine. GibbsCAM's simulation tools identify collisions and other issues before they happen, saving you material and energy, as well as time and money. Scrapped material incurs direct costs for your shop, and even if the material is recycled, there is an environmental cost too. The best solution is to avoid scrap entirely. Use GibbsCAM to make your manufacturing more sustainable for a better future.